I have spent a lot of attention to details on this build, from the appearance to the functionality. The pistol has a pretty intricate mechanism with a lot of moving components that work closely together. So combining all of the functionality with good aesthetics was possibly the biggest challenge, especially because of its small form factor. But despite its size, it's still surprisingly powerful if you use a decent rubber band, as it can easily shoot holes in a piece of paper. And because of the addition of a bun-style mag release, I was able to make these extended magazines, which are a ton of fun to shoot. A large one can hold up to 26 rounds. I also made multiple designs for the slide. On the colored ones, I added some extra detail, like the grip and slide cuts on the top and sides. And I made this compensator, which doesn't have any function really, because my gun obviously doesn't have any gases or recoil, but it still looks pretty good. Anyway, I think that about wraps it up for this video. Let me know what you think of it, and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, it would be much appreciated. And yeah, till next time, doei doei.